66, you are so sweet, and it's been a pleasure getting to know you. Unfortunately, in this game, we're trying to stick together, and I've enjoyed you, but unfortunately, you're eliminated.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. It's okay.
Thank you for coming out, 66. Oh, brutal.
I'm so proud of you.
With 42's influence over 43,
We got to keep control, or we'll be eliminated.
We're at war.
I know.
nobody outside the 40s was safe. 57.
I mean, you don't even know 57.
57, you're eliminated.
40s, watch out for the 50s, because they'll come back after you.
65.
Oh, that's me.